Welcome to this quick tutorial on the BitVital Image Uploader widget. In just a few short minutes, we'll show you how to cut and paste a simple slice of code onto your website and add the simple yet powerful BitVital widget. With BitVital, the developer can easily offer a range of parameters to manage and manipulate images, and end users can simply upload their images and manage them with a simple, user-friendly interface. After you have created your BitVital account, here's how it works in 4 simple steps. Step 1, we'll configure the widget to output an image or images based on our particular website requirements, like their sizes, automatic resizes or thumbnails, watermark settings, etc. Step 2, we'll copy this chunk of boilerplate code from the BitVital documentation page. Instructions and comments are in light gray italics here, while the code itself is in color or dark gray. Step 3, we'll replace the 5 placeholder demo codes throughout with our own personal code associated with our BitVital account and widget configuration we created in Step 1. And Step 4, we'll tell the widget where to store the images that are generated. It's that easy. So let's walk you through that. Create your BitVital account, either free or with a range of different plans. Your account is tied to your website domain name. Register and you'll come to your dashboard. And you'll see that BitVital has generated your domain code here based on your website domain name, which will be used twice in the widget's code we paste into our website. Click Create New Image Uploader Widget Configuration. Give this configuration a title and a unique code, which we will use instead of one of the placeholders to control the widget behavior. In my case, this will be for a real estate website that I manage, Realty24. I have many different real estate agents uploading properties, and I'd like all of the different images to fit the website's layout and look professional. I'll configure my output image definition. In my case, I'd like a fixed aspect ratio with a maximum of 400 by 200. And I'd like the images on my website to be JPEGs at 100% and recompressed for optimization. Add a unique image code. This will help us find this image in case multiple resized images are returned by the widget. We will use this image code suffix to replace one of these placeholders later. I'll choose J400. I'd also like to generate thumbnails or resizes from these images, so I'll configure that as well. And add a thumbnail title and code suffix, which we'll also see later. Set the size and other parameters I'd like, and save. I'd also like to generate a watermark automatically for these photos. So from my dashboard, I'll click Create New Watermark Definition. Give it a title, and this watermark can be an image, such as the Realty24 logo, or a text watermark, which I can have appear in a certain font, size, color, or style. I'll have this on the bottom right of the image, and I'll offset it from the border a bit. And save. Lastly, I have the choice to save the output images directly to my own cloud storage account, but I'll leave this option for now and let my website save them locally on the hosting server. By the way, you can use any HTTP post method to save these images locally. BitVital documentation has further help on this. Now it's time to implement the code and create the BitVital widget. We'll go to Documentation. I'll copy this ready-to-use boilerplate chunk of HTML and JavaScript code, paste it into the HTML of my website, and replace the 5 placeholder areas with my unique codes. I'll replace demo domain code with my domain code, which is here on my dashboard, realty24-com. And I'll replace this placeholder here with my domain code as well. Again, the boilerplate code has instructions and comments in light gray italics that follows along the code. The demo main image suffix code here is replaced with mine, which I can find here. Assuming we've configured our widget to produce 4 thumbnails, for instance, replace the demo code here with your unique code, found here. And remember, if you've configured your BitVital to generate PNGs or GIFs, for instance, remember to use the appropriate file extension. Down here, this is the link or button that calls up the widget. Let's make it use the widget configuration we created earlier. Replace this demo widget configuration code with ours. And that's it. The widget is now ready for action. You can, of course, design the text or button to call up the widget any way you like. In my case, I've designed an Add Property Images button to my Realty site. The end user clicks the button which calls up the BitVital widget. They can upload their photos, and they can crop it to the dimensions you've configured, rotate or flip it, adjust the colors and brightness, and save. BitVital now automatically generates the different image sizes and image code suffixes I've configured, including the thumbnail and watermark, and generates image URLs where the images will be held for you. You can save them to your own server by modifying this HTTP post method, for instance, or other methods. If you already have a cloud storage account, you can configure the widget to save to your own cloud storage. In that case, do not forget to change the output image URLs pointing directly to your own cloud in the code. And that's it. Not as complicated as it may look at first glance, and it will make your world so much easier. Try BitVital today and save yourself loads of time, money, and headaches in using customized code while making image management a breeze for your end users.